and welcome back to another video brought to you by Simone Nicole TV, and that's on what? Period poo. So in this video, we'll be doing my first cash stuffing for the 52-week challenge. If you haven't seen the first video that I posted a couple days ago, check that out. It will be just the introduction of how I set everything up and what we're doing and why I'm doing it, and the pros of doing this challenge. So this is the 52-week challenge. We are going to be starting week 3 soon of January. Week 3 of January next week. So we'll be stuffing 2 envelopes in this video today. So I'm going to set this up over here so y'all can see it. Here are the envelopes right here. It's a good view. Can y'all see everything? I don't know. Yeah, it's much better. Okay, so in this video today we'll be stuffing $130. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20, 25, 30. So this is $130. So we'll be doing 2 envelopes, like I said. Take my pen out. So I'm gonna color in with you all hopefully not glaring by the window, y'all, but I'm gonna color in on my iPad. Let's see, I think I'm gonna color it in yellow. Yeah, that makes sense. Yellow, orange-ish. I'm gonna go with this color. So we're gonna do, I think the plan is to do, let's see, 130. I didn't have any 10s. This is the money, also I want to let you guys know, this is extra money that I had in my purse from pulling out cash throughout the past couple of weeks. So yes, we're gonna do, the lowest amount on here is 50, it looks like, and the largest amount is 400. I do 2, 4, 6, 60, that'll be 80, and then I have a 20, 40, 50. So I'm gonna do a 50, and even though this is 80, it'll be an extra $5 because I don't have any change. I'm gonna do a 75. Yeah, so we'll do 75 and 50. So let's go ahead and find the envelope in here.
Are you recording?
I am, but it's okay. You come in. What's that for? Oh.
To move everything off the table.
Oh, I already wiped it with water. You better clean the table right now.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, we're gonna, there's an interlude. Is that what it's called? The intermission. There's an intermission, you guys. The table has to get clean.
You can keep it recording. It's only gonna take a second.
Well, I can't record without we want to talk to him.
Oh, I thought you was gonna edit it.
Oh, you talking about voiceover like I did last time?
Oh, that's not. Oh, you're not doing voiceover.
No, I'm doing real time.
That's why I asked.
It's okay. It's intermission, like I said. I was looking for that too, to be honest. I didn't know. I was in the bathroom. I ain't see nothing. I just used water.
I was downstairs. Can't let you do that. Can't let you play yourself like that. Not that filthy table.
Okay, you guys, I am back after the slight intermission of cleaning the table down with our special guest of the video, my lovely boyfriend. We back. Okay, so we have the 2 envelopes. I said we're gonna do 50 and we're gonna do the 75. So let me find the 75 in the pile for week 1 and week 2 of January. So let's count one more time. 20, 40, 50. So the $50 envelope going inside here. I'm just gonna tuck it in. I'm not gonna whisk it. I'm doing too much. And then we have the 75, 2, 4, 6, 20, 40, 60, $80 is going inside of these $75 envelopes. So we don't have any change for the 20, and that is okay. I'm gonna keep that in there. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick these in here this way. That way I know that these were already stuffed. Let's see, will it fit? Yeah. Will it close if I put them in here like this? Let's see. I can't really close it that way. What I could do is just get some rubber bands or one rubber band and tie it around the items that are already stuffed, or just mark it with a pen or something. I don't know where my pens went. They're in here, so I'm gonna put these in the back. Let's close that up. And then we're gonna go to the iPad. Like I said, we already selected this color here, that color. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just shade it in. So we did a 75. Can y'all see? See, we're just gonna shade this in a little bit. But I wanna be able to still see. So I'm gonna shade in around it. And then we're gonna do the 50. I think I want it to be a little thicker, make it easier to shade in. There we go. Much better. Much better. So now we have 2 envelopes stuffed for the month of January for the 52-week 10,000 savings challenge. It feels good, to be honest. It feels really good because it's only how many more weeks left of January? How many more weeks left of January are there? 1, 2, we have 3, 4. So it's about 2 weeks left. So we have accomplished already 2 envelopes for the month of January. And that is super exciting. This is, like I said in my last video, this is my first time doing any type of savings challenge, especially posting it on YouTube. So I can't wait to see where this journey takes us in my channel. So I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below if you have any questions, if you want to drop some love, you want to give me any tips, or share your story if you have been doing this challenge, if you've done it before in the past couple of years. But yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next cash stuffing video. Bye.